In this video, we discover another very important topic in vector math, the vector length and the unit vector. This video is in the series about math for coding. Hi, I'm Alex. Let's get started. As always, we begin with a vector A. Now we would like to know how long that vector is. We would call that the vector's magnitude or its length. The magnitude is denoted as the vector's name enclosed by two vertical lines, and it is measured from tail to head. The length is calculated very easily with the Pythagoras equation. It is the square root of x squared plus y squared. The result is a scalar value, or the length of the vector. In a moment we can just write the vector differently. It turns out that every vector has an accompanying vector always pointing in the same direction. This vector is denoted with a little head over the vector's name. This vector is called the unit vector of A. So let us look at some equations for that. As a reminder, we put down the Pythagoras first. The unit vector is scaled so that its magnitude always equals 1. This is done by dividing the vector by its length. This process is also called normalization. A vector is normalized to a unit vector and the unit vector's length always equals 1. Now let us review the polar coordinate once again. We can now see it in a different way with our knowledge acquired so far. The polar coordinate is represented by a unit vector scaled by a magnitude, which we call the radius or r. The vector containing the trigonometric functions is a unit vector which can easily be shown by computing the length of that vector. The length of that vector is always 1. This also means if the radius is set to 1, the polar coordinate is a unit vector for every angle. We will take advantage of that fact in a later video. So far we are done with the theory, so let's look at some examples. We begin with a Cartesian coordinate which length is computed and is used for normalization. In the second example, we will rotate the polar coordinate once again and do some normalization. In this video, we covered the length of a vector and its unit vector. In later videos, a normalized vector will become very important and has a huge practical impact. In the next video, we will cover the scalar product, another very important topic in linear algebra. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye now!